Is beetroot juice the ultimate performance enhancer? New findings will blow your mind. For years, athletes and health enthusiasts have touted beetroot juice as a natural performance enhancer. Packed with nitrates, this vibrant crimson elixir has been linked to improved endurance, reduced fatigue, and even increased strength. But is the hype justified? And what new findings are pushing the boundaries of what we thought we knew about beetroot juice? The secret lies in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide acts as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. This enhanced blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to working muscles, potentially leading to improved endurance. Studies have shown that beetroot juice can increase time to exhaustion during exercise, allowing athletes to push harder for longer. Reduced fatigue by improving oxygen delivery. The secret lies in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide acts as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. This enhanced blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to working muscles, potentially leading to improved endurance. Studies have shown that beetroot juice can increase time to exhaustion during exercise, allowing athletes to push harder for longer. Reduced fatigue by improving oxygen delivery. Beetroot juice can help delay the onset of fatigue, allowing for more intense and sustained workouts. Enhanced muscle power. Some research suggests that beetroot juice may even improve muscle power output, leading to increased strength and explosiveness. But the plot thickens. Recent research is delving deeper into the complexities of beetroot juice and its impact on performance. One exciting area of exploration focuses on the specific types of nitrates present in different beetroot varieties and how they influence individual responses. This means that the optimal beetroot juice may vary from person to person, depending on their physiology and training goals. Furthermore, new studies are investigating the potential benefits of beetroot juice beyond athletic performance. Early findings suggest that it may also improve cognitive function. Increased blood flow to the brain may lead to enhanced cognitive performance and reaction time. Lower blood pressure. The vasodilating effects of nitric oxide can contribute to healthy blood pressure levels. Support cardiovascular health. By improving blood flow and reducing oxidative stress, beetroot juice may play a role in maintaining a healthy heart, while more research is needed to fully understand the intricacies of beetroot juice and its potential benefits. The existing evidence is compelling. Whether you're a seasoned athlete looking to gain a competitive edge or simply seeking a natural way to boost your overall health, beetroot juice may be worth considering. Important note: consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before incorporating beetroot juice into your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, so I can create more helpful tips. Thank you.